last video. Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of the TinkerCAD tutorial. So in the last video we talked how to get started with TinkerCAD and what are its uses. In this video we will be talking about the components available in the platform and we will be designing a simple circuit with them. So let's get started. So to check the components available, here as you can see components, just click on the components. You can see there are basic, all, Arduino, circuit assembly and etc. So first let's check out basic. In basic you can see the various electronic components like resistors, LED, buttons, potentiometer, capacitors, few batteries, breadboards and sensors and etc. And you can also check out the components what are not visible here by writing them in the search button. So like bulb, if you write down bulb you can see a bulb here, or buzzer. So they provide you options, they provide you innumerable options here, and they even provide you with the circuits related to them. Now let's check out the few circuit assemblies already available. So in the circuit assemblies there are few basic circuits, and if you search for more, like with the buzzer, I have told before, sorry. So buzzer, here you can see the circuits already available. So these are the circuits they have designed just to make the learners understand the usage of this platform more. So in the glow circuit is just a simple circuit where they have used a coin battery with the LED. So by clicking on the component here you can select it. So it's to start working of this circuit, click on start stimulation. You can see the LED glows when you stimulate it. So we'll be also doing a small similar circuit assembly here, and let's check out how to use them. I told before, to change the value of the resistor you can just click on the resistor and you can write down the value you need. So this is how you can easily change any of the value of the resistors, and same with the LED, you can change the color of the LED too just by clicking on it and wearing the color you want. So this is cool, right? Now let's move on and check how to design small circuits in this platform. So here I have designed a simple LED glowing circuit just with a switch here. So I have used the battery available in the platform here. I have used two of these. When you click on 1.5 battery, so you get the battery from the available list here, and you can see there are a lot of options available. You can even name your components if you wish. Like if you are using same component innumerable times, you can name them, and you can choose the number of batteries. So from here I have chosen 2 batteries, and even you can even choose the type of the battery, and you can even choose the built-in switch. Like even a battery has a switch itself, so you can even do that. So I have already chosen 2 batteries, and to delete any component you have chosen mistakenly, you can click on delete button here, so that vanishes. So here I have chosen 2 batteries, so altogether we have 3-volt battery here, and I have chosen one push button which acts as a switch, and LED, a resistor. So simple. Here I have connected positive terminal of the battery to one end of the breadboard and the negative to the other end of the breadboard to make the circuit look little neater. So from the positive end I have connected a resistor of 220 ohms. With that, there is in series there is a switch which is also a push button, and then from the other end of the push button I have connected the LED. From the LED I have connected it to the negative end of the battery. Yeah, this is the circuit we have designed. So let's check whether it works the way we want. If I click on the button, the LED should glow. So let's check out. So I clicked on start stimulation. So it has started stimulating. So let's click on the button. When you see, when you click on the button, the circuit glows. So it's a success. This was just a simple circuit to just get you familiar with the platform, so you can design more complex and more fun circuits with the components available here. So I think this was useful for you, and I hope you can wait till the next video of the series comes. Thank you.